What you doing, Kaitlyn?
Making cookies.
Said you've been wanting some all day?
Mm-hmm. I ate 2 pieces of cookie dough this morning already.
This is the easy kind. You don't even have to mix up yourself, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
How was school?
It was good. I have a lot of homework to catch up on.
Tell us what you had the other day that was so good.
Oh, me and Mom got milkshakes from one of the chocolate places at Universal, and they were really good.
We'll have to show them a picture of that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at her, no hesitation. She did it all by herself. Forgot how long you were supposed to cook them?
This is 12 to 13 minutes. I'm gonna do 10.
Yeah, you like them ooey gooey, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well look at them whenever they get done.
All right. Bye, everyone. All right, they're done. All right.
Yeah, turn that timer off.
Mm-hmm. My cookie kind of fell apart, but it's okay.
That one's where your thumb got it with the mitt. That's all right. It'll still be good, won't it?
They look pretty good.
Chocolate chip your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Can't imagine that.
Bye, everyone.